Hello, how are you folks? Christmas is coming and it is now the season of giving. So as the founder of Depth Healing, along with Johnny, we are doing our best to make the Christmas season nice. And that's with gift cards and specials and discounts. Now, I don't want to miss anything, so I'm going to be reading this off of some notes for you because I want to make sure I'm doing this clear. If you're like me, I get lost when it comes to emails and everything else. But we've really made things really beautiful for you, and I'm going to recommend from the bottom of my heart that you take advantage of this to get yourself into a superior position mentally, emotionally, and physically for the Christmas and New Year's. I'm strongly recommending it. The election is over now, and everything is going to move quickly. And while it's moving quickly with all of the different things that the new president is going to initiate, whether some people like it, some people don't, but irregardless, they're going to happen. And at the same time, Kali Yuga continues to slow, and the karmic field continues to tighten for the golden age to begin. So this is the time. So listen to these discounts and gifts and everything else. And then I'm doing a special class for you next month that I'm going to recommend. And it'll be a beautiful private practice for you with tremendous benefit. Okay, so listen to this, please, and pardon me while I move back and forth. Now, the first one I want you to know is December the 9th. So you're looking at December the 9th, 8 a.m. Thailand time. So it's December the 9th, 8 a.m. Thailand time. So if you're in America, that will be the evening before, right? And what I'm going to do is the special workshop. It's only $11. Okay? I really recommend you take that. It's my gift. We're just doing $11 as it's always better with the universe if there's an exchange. If there's an exchange, it works. If there isn't an exchange, it doesn't work. Sometimes it even has negative effects. But it's December the 9th. Mark this thing down, and here's what I'm going to do. It'll take me about an hour, maybe slightly more. But I'm teaching there, okay? When I'm not clearing, I'm teaching, giving you some really important gifts. So first is meditation, real, effective, powerful, simple meditation. How do you do it? I'm going to guide you through it. I'm going to explain it so it makes complete sense. And this kind of meditation works automatically. You do not require high levels of consciousness or any special anything to do it, okay? And that is a verified fact by probably thousands of studies by now. And then I'm going to teach you the second half, how to reprogram. I'm going to make it hyper simple. And you can I've done this for 30 years. I'm an expert at it. It's so valuable. It's so good, and it's so simple. And it just takes minutes. But I want you to be very, very clear about how to do it, right? So it's only $11. That way it's an exchange. Tell all your friends. Any number can join. There will be a link, okay? And what I want you to do is make sure you go to depthhealing.org, the website. And there you're going to see the gift cards and all the other things. I'm going to explain that here in a minute. But get yourself registered in and learn these two invaluable skills. And the meditation that I'm going to teach you also only takes minutes, but it lasts for hours. Some of you I've already taught, but this will be a very good refresher course because meditation is a skill. And the meditation that I teach you, unlike Zen or something like that, which is a consciousness model, the meditation I'm going to give you increases in power and coherence and shortens in the amount of time to do it. The beginning is 5 minutes. It shortens down to as much as only 1 minute. And it maintains its effect for 4 to 6 hours. Now, it's just so good. It does so many things. And I will explain what the benefits are for you, for your mind and for your body. And then the reprogramming, which only takes 5 minutes, is for behavioral change. So the habits and the New Year's resolutions you want to make, you'll be able to do them. And you won't fail because you will have imprinted the subconscious to automate it and just do what you want to do. And you can use this for the rest of your life. I do it on the bus when I used to take the bus. I do it in the classroom when the teacher's boring. I do it, you can do it anywhere at all. And it is the most powerful, considered by neurologists and neuroscience, the strongest, fastest, most effective, and proven brain reprogramming system that I'm aware of in the entire world. Okay, so that's number one. Now, listen to this. Number two, there are gift cards available. You can use it yourself and you can gift it to your friends or to people who are suffering and you want to help them. It's a great gift to give. It really is. So you can purchase the Depth Healing gift cards for privates, for the collectives, for everything, okay? And you go to the website and you click the gift card tab, okay? Look for the gift card tab on depthhealing.org and give someone the gift of higher consciousness, reduced pain or vanished pain, help, clarity, direction, remove anxiety, fear. That's what I do. If you're watching this and you've ever had a session with me, you know that's true. Next, we decided to take 20% off all private sessions that you schedule for a deep dive into your subconscious and your life with me in exchange for a review. And Johnny writes, an honest review. Don't fluff me up. I'm not in need of fluffing up. I'm pretty fluffy. Can you see all the fluff on it? My head looks like a shiny knob in the sunlight. But in any case, don't fluff or fudge anything. I never do, and I don't expect you to do. Just give us an honest review. But the reviews are so important to us. In today's world, the public makes its decisions based on reviews. So if I've helped you in any way at all, in any way, state what the way was. Honestly. I mean, the way you do that is by comparison. You say, I used to have, or this was happening, and after a session or however many sessions. This is my new condition state. This is what happened. That way people, the human mind operates by contrast. By contrast, completely, totally, utterly, by contrast. So use contrast in your review, talk about that. Now, I used to think that reviews and testimonials were the same. They're not. I didn't know that. And you might not know it either. So in exchange for a review, you get 20% off privates. That's a huge value. Many times, just one of my privates transforms a person's entire lifestyle or life trajectory. Okay, well, I wanted you to know that. The links are all on the website. So let's rock and roll, folks. Let's end this year in a high state, filled with gratitude and love. This month in India is the month of expressing gratitude. And the special day is the 14th, actually, of this month in India. So I'm doing that all the time myself. And it's my birthday on December 26th. And I love my birthdays. So I got myself some real special cigars. So I'll see you soon. Please get in to see me for a vertical dive. Join in the collectives. Get your gift certificates. Get your discounts. And join my workshop. It's something I want to give you guys because the time amount is so tiny. The benefit is so huge. It's huge. Okay? Love you all. Bye for now.